Begin the Surya Namaskar practice. Inhale, raise and stretch the arms above your head. Exhale, bend forward in Padahastasana till your fingers or palms reach the side of your feet. Inhale and take your right leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, take your left leg back, head in between your arms. Drop your knees, chest, hold your breath. Inhale, stretch yourself in Bhujangasana. Exhale, lift your hips, Parvatasana. Inhale, bring your right leg in front, in between your palms, Ashwasanchalan, lift your chin up. Exhale, bring your left leg in front, forehead close to the knees. Inhale, raise your arms up above the head. Exhale, join your palms together. Let us practice on the left side. Inhale, lift your hands up, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend forward, place your palms on the floor. Inhale, left leg back, lift your chin up. Exhale, right leg back, Parvatasana. Hold your breath, drop your knees, chest and chin on the floor. Inhale, stretch yourself up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, lift your hips up, Parvatasana. Inhale, bring your left leg in front, in between your palms. Exhale, right leg in front, forehead close to the knees. Inhale, lift your hands up, slight arch to your back. Exhale, join your palms together in front of the chest. Let us go for the next few rounds. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg in front. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pranamasana. Let us repeat on the left side. Inhale, raise and stretch your arms. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, stretch the left leg back as far as possible. Exhale, lift your buttocks up. Hold your breath, drop your knees, chest and chin on the floor. Inhale, lower your buttocks, lift your chest up. Exhale, lift your hips up. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your torso, stretch your arms up. Exhale, join your palms together. This completes 2 full rounds of 24 steps Surya Namaskar. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and right leg back. Exhale and left leg back. Hold your breath. Drop your knees, chest and chin to the floor. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg in front, Ashwasanchalanasana. Inhale. Exhale, Padahastasana. Straighten your legs at the knees. Inhale and lift your arms up. Exhale and join your palms together. Let us repeat on the left side. Inhale and stretch your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, Parvatasana. Hold your breath, go in Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg in front. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, join your palms together in front of the chest. Start by joining your hands in front of your chest, standing upright. Inhale and lift your hands up. Exhale, bend your knees and bend forward. From your waist, place your palms on either side of your feet. Inhale and take your left leg back. Rest the left knee on the floor. Lift your hip up and take your right leg back and come in Parvatasana, head in between the arms. Now slowly lower your hips and come in a plank pose. Drop your knees gently on the floor and drop your chest on the floor. Ashtanga Namaskar. Slowly lift your chest up. Ensure that the neck and back are in one line. Lift your hips up and go back in Parvatasana. Bring your left knee in between the palms. Bring your right leg in front. Keep your knees slightly bent. Slowly lift your hands up, straighten up, and join your palms together in front of the chest. Let us repeat this practice. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, bend your knees. Bend forward, place your palms by the side of your feet. Inhale, take your right leg back, drop your right knee on the floor, relax your right foot. Take your left leg back, go in Parvatasana, head in between your arms. Go in the plank pose, drop your knees on the floor, relax your feet, place your chest and chin on the floor. Lift your chest up slightly. Lift your hips up and lift your knees up. Take your right leg in front, drop your left knee on the floor. Bring your left foot in front. Lift your hands up, keeping the knees slightly bent. And bring your arms in front of the chest. Inhale and lift your arms up. Bend your knees slightly. Exhale, bend forward. Now, take your left leg back. Drop your left knee on the floor. Relax your left foot. Right leg back, Parvatasana. Come in the plank pose. Drop your knees, drop your chest on the floor. Lift your chest up. Lift your hips up and lift your knees up. Parvatasana. Take your left leg in front, Ashwasanchalan. Right leg in front, straighten your legs. Lift your hands up and lower your hands down. Join your palms in front of your chest. Inhale and lift your hands up. Exhale, bend your knees. Bend forward from your waist. Place your palms in front of your toes. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Drop your knee on the floor. Exhale, take your left leg back. Come in Parvatasana. Hold your breath. Drop your knees on the floor and place your hips on your heels. Place your forehead on the floor. Hands stretched in front. Inhale, stretch yourself in front, coming in Bhujangasana. Exhale, come in Parvatasana, lift your hips up. Inhale, bring your right leg in between your palms. Exhale, bring your left leg in front. Keep your knees softened. Inhale, lift your hands up, straighten up. Exhale, join your palms together in front of your chest.